and welcome to another episode of the Ishan Arora podcast, boys and girls, episode 35. And I'm pretty sure आप लोग सोच रहे हो कि where the fuck am I? I am back on my campus. मेरा MBA चालू है, second year MBA. Second year MBA. I am in the second year of my MBA, so I am back to a location that shall not be disclosed. This is my hostel. If people are interested in a room tour, let me know in the comments below. मैं शायद कर भी सकता हूँ, मेरे रूममेट्स नहीं है. There will be a very big possibility that you will see my roommates in future episodes. No promises. I would like to start this episode the only way I know how to. Weather बहुत मस्त है, but cheers to you guys also. So fuck it, let me just ऐसे ही रहने देता हूँ. And as usual, because these shades are too fucking dull, I will keep doing this so that I can read my fucking notes. पहली चीज है going back. That is right, I have come back. I am back pursuing my MBA. Second year है. I really don't have any expectations. I feel doing an MBA, not doing an MBA, I think I will make a detailed video on it for everyone who's interested after my MBA is done. And I think it's a personal call. I think you should look into a lot of factors before you do your MBA. I think it depends from person to person. So वो तो है. And मैं इधर पुणे में हूँ. And Pune rains are absolutely fucking horrible because मुंबई में ठीक है, मुंबई में रेन्स होती है. आई फील मुंबई रेन्स समहाउ आर वर्स बिकॉज मुंबई रेन्स एक बार चालू होती है तो वो चालू ही होती है, पूरा सिटी डूब जाता है उसमें. आई फील पुणे रेन्स आर लाइक अ चिल्ड लेस अनहिंज वर्जन ऑफ दैट. बट आई स्टिल डोंट लाइक रेन्स. सब गीला हो जाता है, चड्डी सूखती नहीं है. आई लाइक रेन्स व्हेन आई वाज इन मुंबई, नॉट व्हेन आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग. व्हेन आई वाज अनएम्प्लॉयड, मुंबई रेन्स आर द बेस्ट. बट व्हेन यू हैव क्लासेस और व्हेन यू हैव समथिंग और द अदर टू डू, तभी बारिश हो रही रहती है. इफ यू हैव टू गो आउट ऑफ योर रूम तो बहुत घटिया वेदर है, बहुत टट्टी वेदर है, कीड़े मकोड़े बहुत होते हैं. एंड नो, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट माई बैचमेट्स. सो horrible rains. And going to rains as a weather, as a season मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगता है. So it could be raining in butt fuck nowhere, मेरे को वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Now doing an MBA, I am doing an MBA, so I have to stay on campus. So पहले मेरा जो room था, that was a 3 sharing, and now I'm in a 4 sharing. So we've got bigger rooms. As you can see, there are 4 beds on all 4 sides. And my last year के जो roommates थे मेरे, वो same 2 roommates होंगे. Third one being me. We included another person. If you guys have seen my episode with Joseph Anto is our 4th roommate. And I have to say this, you don't really need any sort of entertainment if you have just 4 bakchod guys in one room. Like, all of us, before I say all of this, हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे बहनचोद फेरी लाइट्स लगा दी है. All of us are straight for the most part, straight heterosexual men who are interested in women. We put fairy lights. Why? Because aesthetic लग रहा है. One part of our room is fucking gay. And बकचोदियां हो रही है. We will talk about the most random thing, the most random shit. The amount of of just offensive and unhinged shit that the 4 of us say in this room. And we're not saying this to sound edgy, or we're not saying this to hurt kisi ka sentiments. If it that happens, so that's a bonus only. But it's just guys being guys. And it's the most free form of entertainment because you don't really need anything. You don't need to be under the influence of any substance. You can do this while you're stone sober, and it's just random. Just random. So that has been a plus. Our rooms are bigger because we were in a 3 sharing. The hostel was a new building, but the rooms were smaller. This is very big. I don't know if you guys can see room tour चाहिए तो let me know in the comments. I will oblige. मेरे को कोई problem नहीं है. And yeah, so it has been fun. I feel everyone should stay at least once in a hostel or with someone that you've not grown up with. घर से अलग रहो basically if you can फाइनेंशियली अफोर्डेड आई फील एंड अगर आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है बिकॉज आपको आपके बारे में पता चल जाता है आपको दूसरे लोगों के साथ कैसे रहना रहता है समझ में आ जाता है एंड यू मेक अ लॉट ऑफ फाउंड मेमोरीज ऑल्सो as gay as it sounds. Other than that, currently I am reading this book, which is Dorian Yates, who is a uh, legendary bodybuilder. His biography. Shout out Rishu, my friend, for getting it. मेरे को यहाँ पे मिल रहा नहीं था तो she got it for me from Ireland. So shout out Rishu. If you see any content that Dorian Yates puts out, it is very intense. अगर आपने उनकी ब्लड एंड गट्स डॉक्यूमेंट्री ट्रेनिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखी रहेगी तो you would know if you've been around the gym culture and if you worked out enough. I feel you would have heard Dorian Yates. So it's a very interesting read. It थोड़े ही chapters थोड़े I think I must have barely read like 30 पन्ने पढ़े मैंने इसके. But I was looking forward to reading this. I've consumed a lot of his podcast content and YouTube videos. Sounds like an interesting character. तो बुक ले ली है मैंने. दैट इज करंटली व्हाट आई एम रीडिंग राइट नाउ. उसके बाद आई विल प्रॉब्ली लिसन टू एन ऑडियो बुक बेस्ड ऑन द लाइफ ऑफ शाहरुख खान. मेरा एक ऑडियो बुक पेंडिंग है कॉल्ड नेवर स्प्लिट द डिफरेंस. उसका 1 घंटा बाकी है सुनने का. आई थिंक आई शुड गेट दैट ओवर विद बिफोर आई डीप डाइव इनटू दिस. बट देखते हैं, लेट्स सी. एंड देयर वाज दिस रील दैट आई केम अक्रॉस वेयर दिस चिक अमेरिकन फिरंग कोई तो वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ now that people are talking about going to war and stuff, how feminists are conveniently saying कि oh men need to go to war, not us. God forbid if men have one job, that is to go die essentially. And मेरे को बहुत बहुत convenient लगा ये switch up. And a lot of people got offended. देखो आपको ये बात समझनी चाहिए कि people, if you are like a hardcore cutthroat man hater, you will have a very lonely life. I will confidently sit here and say this, and anyone can disprove me. I would really recommend someone to go ahead live that life just hating on a whole gender for whatever personal reasons. I think you will have a very very sad life. आपके कोई strong reasons रहेंगे तो ठीक है. I am no one to tell people how to live their life, but fuck it. Anyone who is a man hater through and through will not have a happy existence. Likewise, if anyone is a woman hater, आपका life बहुत sad होने वाला है. And a lot of people in the comments were like, oh, such pick me behavior or whatever it is. I feel no one should go die in a war. I feel किसी को मरने की जरूरत नहीं है. And you have to understand, there is a very false idea that men and women are equal. We are not equal. We are biologically not equal. We are mentally not equal. It's a give and take. There is one superior gender at the end of the day, and everybody knows what gender that is. And it's okay to be second. There is nothing wrong with being second. If you lose to Michael Phelps, it's okay. You lost to Michael Phelps. If you lose to Usain Bolt, you lost to the greatest ever to do it. So it's fine, ladies. Calm the fuck down. No one's asking you to go die in a ditch. You guys can't fucking drive. So it's okay. Us men will go die in a ditch. Not me, other guys. But regardless, भाई और बहुत funny लगता है मेरे को कि when people get riled up in Instagram on Instagram and under Instagram comments, it's fine bro. Fuck it. आपको वैसे भी कुछ करना नहीं है. आप अपने keyboard warrior बनो. Please sit behind your phone and comfortably give your opinion without having to face any consequences for it. It's okay. Also, ये weekend something fucking horrific happened. Ilya Taporia, I don't know what the fuck to say. Alexander the Great Volkanovski, Max Blessed Holloway, Charles Dubronx Oliveira. What the fuck is wrong? I've never felt so fucking sad. That भाई Oliveira versus Ilya था ये weekend. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. One round, he stiffed him. It was not a technical. It wasn't a TKO. He stiffed Oliveira. बहुत ऐसा हेल्पलेस मेरे को फील हुआ है. मेरी क्लास चालू थी, उसके बीच में मैं देख रहा था. Now just like fuck. How good is Ilya Topuria? Where is Islam Makhachev when you need him? I can't do this. Why do you think I have a fucking flask for this episode? रोया हूं मैं सोने से पहले. Ilya Topuria called his shot and KO'd Oliveira in one round. I can't even begin to say how sad I fucking feel. He's talking about having a third belt. Paddy Pimblett is next. I feel so bad for Arman Surikin. That guy's just been fucked over. He's like, "Arey, match is venture tu gane." But that fucking card, Alexandre Pantoja, the fucking cannibal, put some fucking respect on him. Finished Kaikara France. And who's that fucking guy who beat Brandon Royval? I'm blanking out on his name. He's fucking 23. He's next in line for Pantoja. I will not sleep on Pantoja. That man is holding it for the flyweights. He's potentially talking about moving up and fighting Marab. I don't know how that fight is going to go. I think he should have like a test fight at 135. Pata nahi meko. But Ilya motherfucking Topuria, 2 belts, 145 champion, dips after knocking out Max Holloway, moves up to 155, finishes Charles Oliveira. Mera bhai, the number of times I'm like, Charles to Bronx! Charles to Bronx! I am not even Portuguese. I am from fucking Mumbai. What is this guy? What is the possibility with Topuria? Paddy Pimblett ko bol rahe he's next. I actually don't know how that fight is going to go. I would like to see it. I would like to see Topuria versus Pimblett. I think that's a fun matchup. I think they don't like each other. I think both of them are big stars. Topuria being the A side, let's be honest. That's a good fight. I don't know where Arman Surikin goes. Dustin Poirier is fighting Max Holloway. Thank fuck he's not fighting Topuria. I know I sound like a Topuria dick rider, but you give me an argument now. I don't want my favorite fighter fighting against him. Justin Gaethje will not fight Topuria. I can't afford that man getting KO'd. What is this belt collector venture? Collecting heads. But crazy pay-per-view. Charles Oliveira, I fucking love you. Okay. Even though you knocked out Michael Chandler, I fucking love you. Okay. Ilya Topuria, I don't know where he goes. Islam Makhachev, please, brother, we need you. You handle business with JDM. Please fucking come down. Take care of this man. But that opens up a lot of possibilities. Like, you can have Topuria versus Pimblett. Let's see how that goes. Islam versus JDM. Islam comes down regardless. Fights Topuria. If Paddy Pimblett, agar Paddy Pimblett can beat Topuria, that is like the upset of upsets. The star of Paddy Pimblett will be next fucking level. But let's see. Possibilities are endless. If Islam wins, and if he immediately doesn't want to come down, if he wants to defend at welterweight, there's Kamaru Usman, there's Ian Gary, there's Shafkat. It's a very good time to be a UFC fan. Yeah, crazy bhai, crazy ho gaya. John Jones fucking retired. I will make a separate video on it. Dekhte hai, chalo. That's it for this episode 35, boys and girls in the books. Expect one episode a week, bare minimum from me, with more guests. Let's get a few guests on the podcast. अगर आपको episode अच्छा लगा, make sure you subscribe to the podcast on Spotify or wherever you get your podcast. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. आई विल सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड टिल देन चीयर्स बाय। ओलिवेरा हार गए, मेरे को थोड़ा, मैं गम में पी